We were in Hilo, so we decided to take a stop at the zoo. The Hilo Zoo is always a fun place to make a stop. It's not a really huge zoo, so if you're kind of strapped for time, you can see all of it in, I'd say, about an hour, maybe two. It's free to enter, so that's a nice fact also. My two must-dos when I go to the Hilo Zoo are must see the tigers. The orange tiger's name is Sriracha, and the white one's name is Tzatziki. And then my other favorite animal at the zoo is a white bird that they have named Romeo. I could spend hours talking to him. He says his name. He's got a little bit of an attitude, but he's just my favorite. If you've been to the Hilo Zoo before, let me know what your favorite animal is and why. And if you haven't been there, you should definitely go and check it out.